Hello students, today once again I am with you, and students, now we are going to discuss with you about democracy, and it is the political science class 9th lesson first. Students, and today we will discuss some very fact matter related to the democracy. That means your lesson name already you know what is democracy and why democracy. That means in here we can say it is as a debate topic. That means why it is important and why it is not important. So student, first we are going to understand in here what is the means of, what is importance of the democracy, why democracy is the best to development or success to any country. So students, first we are going to understand something important point related to the democratic country. Actually, democratic country is the country of that where people have a right, have a power to giving the vote, to choose their representative under their self, to make their honor, to make their as a PM, President, CM, that means their authority. It is the matter of democracy. But students, in here we are understanding that democracy is good, because when we compare to the other government, other form of government, that means monarchs, dictatorship, military rules. So students, in democratic system all power is present under the people, but in monarch system all power are one person. In dictatorship system all power are in one person. In military rule system all power is also only some limited personal people. So students, democratic system is the best, because under the democratic system people decided to their ruler which they feel it is the good, this person is the good, they can good representation of our country, they can best representation of our area, ourself, or our society, our religion. So like that person they decide, and they are try to do their work by the make a rule under the parliament. This is the system of democracy. So students, in democracy people have a power to decide their rule and regulation, and power sharing system also has been present in democratic system. So students, legislature, executive, judiciary is deciding to dispute between our people to people, community to people, or state to people, like that. Any type of complicated dispute sure to be decided under the democracy by the court. In here court system also has been district, state, that means district court, high court, supreme court also. So student, due to that we can say our this system which has been as a democratic system, it is the best system of the world. In the democratic system we decide if any dispute, court will try to understand who is a guilty, who is a has been wrong doer, and who is a not guilty. But in other form of government it is the total against. So students, in here we can say democratic form of government is the best form of the government, students. Now we are going to say against of the democratic form. So students, actually in democratic form we know judicial system has been made. But what is the means of judicial system? Judicial system decide to any type of dispute, it is the right, but how many time they is going to take for deciding to their any case, to deciding any dispute? When parliament or judicial system takes so many time, dispute may be destroyed, many people may be died, many people may try to destroy many type of evidence, because our judicial system is the based on the evidence. When evidence will not be present, that how they will decide to guilty or unguilty. So in here we can say our democratic system, our judicial system is the not best, but Other form of the government, monarch, dictatorship and other, you can say waste, because they don't take so much time. They try to decide any case within some limited times. How can you say democratic system is the best form of the government? So students, in other against topic we are going to say our parliamentary system. In here have been different type of electoral competition. Many parties has been present in our country. There has been very fact competition between parties. They try to take power by the strength, by the forgery, by the controlling of the election commission by under themselves. So how can you say our democratic system is the best? Because if election commission is under the government controlling the election commission, what to be result there? How can you feel that free and fair election to be held in democratic countries? So students, we cannot say that it is the best form of the government. It is the minus point of democratic matter, students. So many facts which may become under the as a dispute state to state, it's also going to be decided under the High Court or Supreme Court. What's to be there? Our judicial system is the also in some matters concerning to the parliament. So students, first in here we will try to understand who give the appointment of Supreme Court and High Court judge. So students, this is the not as competition matter. So in here we should be know some partiality also may present to there. So students, in here we can say democratic system is the not best form of the government. So students, it was the debate between democracy and non-democracy. Democracy form is the best or not best. So students, now thank you very much to all of you. Thanks, all of you. Very, very thanks, students.